family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for tuning in. If you are new here, I want to say welcome. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Alright y'all, so today I'm going to be making this potent hair growth oil. This hair growth oil is going to treat a lot of scalp conditions. It's going to regrow your hair with consistency. So keep watching to see how you can make this hair growth oil. So to start the process, I'm going to be starting off with my ginger. I have already peeled the ginger and I'm going to cut it up into pieces and add the rest of my ingredients into the blender. So keep watching to see how you can make this powerful hair growth oil. Alright family, so I have my ginger in the blender. That is my cloves, my fenugreek, and my dried rosemary leaves. I'm going to be using all of the rosemary leaves, 2 teaspoons of the cloves, and 2 teaspoons of the fenugreek. The next thing I will be adding is my oil. The first oil I'm going to be using is my olive oil. That is half cup of the olive oil and also half cup of my almond oil. That is the almond oil. I'm going to add all these ingredients together and blend them. Alright family, so here are my blended ingredients. I'm going to transfer this to the pot and then set it on the stove top for 10 minutes on medium heat. You also want to stir it while it's sitting there. Don't leave it on a tender so it doesn't burn. And after 10 minutes, you want to let this cool before you sift the oil. It's after 10 minutes, my oil has cooled down. Now it's time to sift my oil. To sift this oil, I'm going to be using my sifter and my paper towel. There are other things that you can use if you don't have the paper towel or the sifter that I'm using. You can use your stocking cap, your cheesecloth if you have those. So there are so many things you can use to sift your oil. So I'm going to sift my oil and then I'm going to transfer it into my bottles and I'm ready to use the oil. So let's do a recap of the ingredients that I have in this oil. I used my ginger, cloves, fenugreek, rosemary, almond oil, and my olive oil. The ginger helps to improve circulation and stimulate the hair follicles. It also has anti-inflammatory effect which can help with certain scalp conditions. The ginger has many vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids that can contribute to strengthening your hair strands and also combating hair loss. The rosemary improves blood circulation, which can prevent the hair follicles from being starved of blood supply. It controls dandruff. It eliminates premature graying. It also boosts the shine of the hair. And studies have shown that rosemary is very effective for hair regrowth. And then there's fenugreek. Fenugreek softens the texture of the hair. It treats hair loss. It promotes a thicker hair growth. It fights against dandruff. Fenugreek contains anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation and pain to your hair roots. Then there's cloves. Cloves have high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. It contains anti-inflammatory agents which can help in hair thickening. It also prevents premature growing of your hair. It reduces hair fall. If you like this video so far, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you aren't a member of this family, go ahead and smash that subscribe button to become a member of this family. Please, y'all, go ahead and comment anything in the comment section. Let me know your knowledge on any of these ingredients that I'm using here. Have you tried these ingredients? Or just let me know whatever. That is going to help this channel a lot. Then I have my oil. I'm using my olive oil and my almond oil. The olive oil encourages hair growth. It promotes healthy hair. It promotes a stronger hair roots. It nourishes and conditions your hair. It soothes your scalp and it prevents hair damage. The almond oil is a lightweight oil that penetrates the hair easily. It softens and strengthens the hair. It is rich in biotin and it also helps with hair regrowth. It hydrates dull and dry hair. So my girls have on these protective style, you all can see the new growth. It's been a while now. I will be taking this down soon. School is about to start. So yeah, we need to redo the hair. So usually when they have on, or when we have on protective style, I like to use my oils and my hairspray. So I will make the rosemary spray, but lately we have been using the hibiscus spray. If you guys don't know that, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. You can check it out on how to make your hibiscus spray and also your hibiscus hair mask. So yeah, I like to use the hairspray to spray on our hair. As you all can see, there's a lot of new growth. So yeah, once we take this down, we're gonna see length. All right, family, so like I said, if you like the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you aren't a member of this family. This is a very potent hair growth oil. That is my oldest daughter. She also has on braids. Like I said, I did their hair. It has been over a month, and yeah, there's new growth and it's time to take this down. But like I was saying, if you want to maintain your hair moisture and don't want to experience any dryness, it is also good to use your hairspray, your hair moisturizer, or your hair oil to keep your hair intact. Okay, so this oil is very powerful. It is rich in so many minerals that is good for your hair. Your hair is going to love this. All right, y'all, that's the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you aren't a member, and also give me a thumbs up and comment whatever you want to. That is going to help this channel. See you all in the next one. Remain blessed. Bye.